Hello everyone. Next we are leaving hair from one side and then taking all the rest of the hair, folding it together as you can see in a bun. After that we are taking the untied hair and then we are going to make a braid out of it as shown in the video. After that we are going to loosen it a little bit and then we are going to connect it with the bun we've made earlier. As you can see, we are joining it with the help of a hair clip, or you can apply anything you want, and then you can see your beautiful hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take a ponytail and then applying this beautiful hair clip at the bottom, and then taking the remaining hair, applying a rubber band, and then at last using a bobby pin we are folding it into a bun. Next we are going to divide our hair into 3 sections and then making this braid. Then we are going to loosen it a little bit and folding it out into a bun. After that, at last we are going to apply this beautiful hair clip to it for making it stable. Next we are taking our ponytail using this flower hair clip and then taking the hair and folding it out into this voluminous one by taking this black hair clip. Next we're gonna move ahead. Here we've taken a ponytail using this tool. We are passing it through itself as you can see in the video. Then taking the remaining hair, applying a rubber band on it, folding it out into a bun, at last applying this beautiful hair clip on it.